another
Mhm.
fantastic performance that I'm sure you are really keen to talk about. This was the highlight reel of the night. Atomweight Muay Thai. We
Oh,
saw
yeah.
Boerneung against Chatai. And yeah, Boerneung here, 17 years old, making his one championship debut. And I don't think it could have gone any better for him on the night. Highlight reel finish, right overhand, rocket knee, tomahawk elbow. Then
Yeah.
taking his time before throwing a front kick up the middle to the face and finishing the fight there, bro. It was absolutely crazy. 17 years old, take a bow, young man. And yeah, bro, I
Yeah.
mean, for him, I don't think he could have dreamt it going this well, to be honest with you. But yeah, what can you tell us about the young man here, VG?
Firstly, 350,000 baht, bro, in the young man's
There you
account.
go.
There we go. Bonus machine. I'm pretty sure you'll be a bonus machine the more we see him. And also, big props for him fighting his debut fight at atomweight and not at catchweight. We have to
Mm.
stress that because a lot of these guys that make their debuts at 1 Friday fights are fighting a lot of catchweight bone fights, right? This kid's getting thrown into a division immediately. That is relatively fresh, right? They're looking for a champion as well. That Nadaka Yoshinari is there. Song Chanoi. So it's a division full of good killers, but there was no champion for a while. There isn't still no champion. But now that they have these two athletes that are pretty much gonna fight for a title in Songchan Noi and Narako Yoshinari, means that every fight now in Atomweight has a lot more stock to it, right? There's a lot more weight to the fight now because now there's a title you can go for. It hasn't been announced yet, but it's most likely going to be the case once we see Naraka Yoshinari take his first fight. So that means athletes like Bern can look forward to something like that, right? He's not just fighting for bonuses now. He can actually go and climb a division. There's a ranking that he can climb, that he can go and claim. And I think Chatai didn't even know what he was getting involved in here because the moment the fight started, Bern went straight for him, aggressive. He didn't even like set anything up. He wasn't even like, oh, we're gonna get warmed up. He was going balls to the wall so fast that Chatai didn't even know that he was in a fight. He didn't even know that there was a fight happening. He was literally playing FIFA. That's what it looked like. He wasn't even in this fight. He looked like he was a shadow, and he was just a test dummy for this young lad. So that gives you a very good um, kind of a description of how the fight took out because it was that quick. It was first round, right? Yeah, first round knockout, and it's only a 3 minute fight, only 3 minute rounds, and this dude got the knockout within the first minute and 30 seconds of the fight. So big ups to Brandon Wang. He's very aggressive. Like you mentioned, Tamok elbows, flying knees. The youth is definitely there. You can see it. The boy fights like a
Mm.
Super Saiyan. And his character, he's got a very good character. The way he was dancing after the fight, the way he was hyping up the crowd. Yeah, showing the elbows. Nah, fun athlete. I'm gonna remember that gym's name, Sor Salachip. I'm gonna remember that name because that's the name of his gym. So let's see. Please, Chaudhry, give this boy some more fights. I want to see him fight at least two more times in 2025.
There you go. There you go. Yeah. So remember the name. Remember the name of the gym, ladies and gentlemen. And yeah, drop us a comment there. How impressed were you by the debut of Burnewing? But all right, PG, anything else you
He
want to
stole the
say
show,
about the
bro.
young man?
I
Yeah,
would say he
yeah,
probably
nice.
stole the show for me. Even
Definitely,
though we had
definitely.
some really high profile fighters on the fight card, I think this kid definitely stole the show for me. It was super
Yeah,
exciting to watch.
difficult to argue with that, bruh. I mean, it was a fantastic, like I said, highlight reel, bruh.
Yeah.
I mean, he couldn't have manifested that going any better, I don't think, bruh. So yeah, yo, what a performance, and yeah, looking
Yeah.
forward to his next.